Hello. Nomad Sculpt, smooth colors, not smudge. Okay, I try it again. Um, this is my test object in Nomad. And okay, first the difference between smoothing the colors and smudging. Um, okay, where's the smudge? Smudge is selected, and when I'm smudging the colors, I smear them around, and I can yes, I can change the intensity, but that's not what I want. Um, I want to smooth the edges. Okay, we change to the smooth brush, and now intensity is high, and when we smooth, now the effect is okay, but we are smoothing the mesh also. I go a step back, and we don't want to smooth the mesh, only the color. And to do this, reduce the intensity of the smooth brush to 0. And now you can smooth only the color, uh, the edges of the color, like an airbrush. And if you want to change the intensity of this effect, you go to the paint settings, and you can change the intensity of the paint. And now when you smudge it, it smudges more. And when you bring it under 1, then it's not so much. Yes, that's it. Have fun with sculpting. Ciao.